Do you have a crawl space with a dirt floor? Are you wondering if you need a vapor barrier? Let's talk about that. Welcome to Foam University. Today we're going to talk about if you need a vapor barrier in your dirt floor crawl space. Simple answer is yes, we're always going to recommend you put a vapor barrier down if you have dirt or sand or anything like that in your crawl space. You always want to put a vapor barrier down your crawl space to stop moisture from coming up. We all know the potential risk of putting moisture getting up into your floor joists, up into your walls. It can lead to a lot of problems. Before we move on to the next point, make sure you smash that like button for us. So how do we put a vapor barrier down? The simplest way that we found to do that is to put plastic down on the floor, run it up the walls just a little bit, and then spray foam that onto the walls as we insulate the walls and the rim joist. Now that seals that vapor barrier all around the perimeter of the crawl space so that it's good and locked in. Something to keep in mind though, however, like I said, putting plastic down is usually the best way to establish that vapor barrier. However, if you have bulk water problems, so if you live near a high water table or if you live near a lake or something like that and your crawl space floods or you have any type of bulk water issues, just putting plastic down may not solve that issue. Now obviously it can build up underneath the plastic, it can somehow pour over, there can be a lot of different issues. Bulk water is a completely separate issue, so if you're having that, that's a different conversation to have. Hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions about this, maybe you should check out the link in our description below, read the full article on this, or of course you can leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you see all of our notifications. Hey, don't forget, there's also a ton of information on our website, RetroFoamofMichigan.com. We have a learning center on there that is full of all kinds of information, articles, blogs, as well as videos. You're welcome.